Alright guys, this is where we left off. We're uncovering this. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue sanding. Alright guys, I left a little early yesterday. We got way too cold last night. But yeah, let's finish up this site. Alright guys, so far I am running out of life on this disc, so I brought on a new one. So far this lasted me this whole side of the car, the trunk. I think that's about it. The first one I changed a little too early, but yeah. Alright, let's get back into it. Alright, my camera is going to die. I brought the wrong size, but after I change this, I'm just going to finish this fender, most likely. And tomorrow, hopefully, we'll bring out the DAs, finish up the corners. Oh, actually, I'm going to finish the roof too. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is where we left off. So I did not get to the fenders or the roof. Yeah, just a bit late. We still have to run. But yeah. So we're gonna finish up the roof. We're gonna finish up the fenders, and then we're gonna use the DA sander to hit the bumpers, the hood, and the side skirts, and the corners where the contour SCT could not get. But yeah, that's about it. All right, let's get into this. now that the majority of the paint is off, I'll be removing the quarter glass, the sunroof, and anything really that's in the way to get all the yellow off. But yeah, anything I can't hit with the contour, I'm gonna use a DA. I have electrical right here. The bumpers I have to use DA on. But yeah, we should be removing these, this, and the hood. Yeah.